On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock.
What's going on? Oh man, I don't have my my green screen on. Who would have thought? Welcome to my office. How we all doing? Mad love to every single one of you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I mean, we could do it like this. I mean, it's just an office. Do I got to get like some fancy plants in here? Wait. I have a plant. I have a plant. Do you guys have plants? Okay, not naughty plants, like plant. This is Oswald, okay? This is my money tree. Money tree, baby, let's go. Shout out to all the people. Do you guys name your plants? That's what I want to know as well. Do you name your plants? This is Oswald, okay? All right? This is Oswald. Say hi to Oswald. Good morning, Oswald. How you doing? I water him. He keeps growing. He's got some new leaves. Yeah, he's looking good. Mr. Oswald. He's on my desk. He's my money tree. Give it a little tap every morning. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. Come on, Oswald. All right. Let me fix my screen. How's it all going? It's Friday, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's an amazing, beautiful day. Spending it with you guys. There's nothing better in the morning. Hanging out. Look at that. Transforming robots in disguise. Now we look all professional in the trading zone. Do 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 do. Hey, if you guys have some backgrounds, look, there's my coffee there. There's a tree here. Okay. There's Oswald in VR. Okay. He's like the Optimus version. Okay. My God. My God. Are we a little bit ridiculous this morning? I feel good. I knew that I would. I'm probably gonna get copyright striked, but that's all right. Right. I feel good. Good morning to all the otters, man. All these guys in here. Father Time, Massey, Michael, David, Easy C. Is the bottom in? That's what I want to know. You guys gotta let me know. You guys gotta let me know, man. Because I don't know. I'm not here to fortune tell, man. I'm here to make money. I'm here to make money. And how do we make money? We don't trade the PPI. That's for sure. Okay? We don't trade it. We wait. What's going on, everybody? Look at all you absolute legends in here. So, guys, I took the short yesterday after the stream, golden pocket, and I got out way too early. Okay, I got out like here. What a loser. What a loser. Oh, man. What a loser. Everybody put those L's in the chat. Put the L's in the chat for Lehu, Zay Her, Alex O'Crypto. Oh man. I don't know what to say about that. I'm full of shame. I'm full of shame, right? Full of shame. Where is it here? Let me see if I can find it for you. That was it right here. That's the entry. Took some profits quickly. Open 60,886. Okay. Right here, man. We were right here. 886, a little bit lower. Okay, we were right here. We were in it to win it, man. We were in it to win it. Loser. My God, what a loser. What a loser. Oh, man. It's always good to be always good to have some fun in the morning. It's Friday. We got the PPI, Producer Price Index, I believe it's called. Producer Price Inflation, month over month. Okay, we got this fun thing coming out. Hey, can it move markets? We'll have to wait and find out. Okay, we have since bounced. Okay, we have bounced like you wouldn't believe. Okay, I'm bullish about this bounce. However, we have created a lot of liquidity. Okay, a lot of liquidity on the way up here. So we'll have to be careful. We'll have to be very careful. Because this right here, looking at this is, I mean, none of these lows have really been taken. Okay? This is all juicy liquidity for price to come back down into. Asia pump, New York dump. You know the story, right? You guys know the story. Right? So now we're trending up. We'll see if we can continue to push up into this news. Beautiful, beautiful retracement. I mean, if there is I don't know if I've seen enough L's in the chat for loser. Did I see any chat? A loser. Lehu, Zay Her. Good morning, Darren Does Things. We got 8 minutes to say good morning to everybody. Make sure you say good morning. We had 209 likes yesterday. I don't expect to beat it. It's Friday. I don't need to beat it today. I'm not going to ask you to hit the like today. I had 209 likes yesterday. It's the most I've been liked since middle school. Okay? What's going on, Maddox? Good morning to you, man. Good morning, Lotmo Crypto Motivation. He'll be done work soon. French Toaster, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Easy C, David, Michael, Massey. Good morning to you guys. Quasm, good morning, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Father Time, Al Jr. Not smokable plants. Don't you dare smoke Oswald. Okay. Fotis, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Jay Violet, good morning. Hope you're doing well. saying hello to Oswald. Good morning to you, Michael Al Jr. Martina, what's up? It's been a while. First live stream from this week. Good to see you, Martina. Good to see you, Darren. Darren does things. Father Time saying hello to Oswald. They need money trees. Yo, Alex, good morning, sir. I guess I've earned this, sir. Look at all this gray, man. I mean, 34 and getting gray, baby. I got like a big cowlick this morning. I don't know if it's gone away. I don't know. We'll see. Good to see you, David Brumbelow. Good morning, my wife. My wife just came by and waved at me. Good morning. Are you going to say hello to the gang? You don't ever come and say hello to the gang. Come right here. That's where the screen starts. See where my hand is? Come and wave. Hello, you're right. You're right. Do I need anything? No, I'll need a coffee in like an hour. Half an hour. Yeah, you can. Thank you, sweetheart. We got news coming out. It's about peepees. Yeah, it's peepee news. Yeah. I don't know. People are going schlong. She's like, what the fuck? Oh, man. John Foster Crypto, good morning. Good morning. French Toaster. Good to see you, man. Anthony Soprano. Finally got Halo to work, but I have to get used to the controls again. Uh-oh. Tony and Jonathan Schaefer, I swear, they're training right now for Halo. A lot of... Nicolette, good morning to you. Jeet Corp. Good morning to you. Busy picking some apples and his nose. Be careful, G Corp. Mad love to you, bro. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. What's going on? Robert Jones. L's all across the board. Let's go. Let's go. Blockchain Basement. Good morning, Blockchain Basement. Mad love to you guys. I have not watched a Blockchain Basement. Maybe I should investigate. Is that the actual Blockchain Basement? I know they have a crypto channel because Piper told me about them. Maybe we can do a collab or something. I don't know. I'm not. I like a collab, but then again, I got a newborn. So right now, I mean, I'm supposed to go on Crypto Blood show. I'm supposed to go on AJ Wright's show. I just got off Sin City Crypto. So maybe we could add Blockchain Basement. I would love to come and hang out with you guys anyways. As long as you're good people, man, that's the thing, man. We love good people in this space. We hate open mouth thumbnails and FUD. You know, new crypto coins every 3 seconds. We don't like that. But we love good people. We love good people. There's a good person right there. Good morning, Army Piper. What's going on, bro? Just talking a bunch of shit about you, man. Saying how handsome you are. My brother. What's going on? Clay the Great, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. I like the name. It's like very, very gothic. I think it's pretty cool. Good morning to you. Quasim. Darren does things. Lunar Beaches Crypto. What's going on? Throw some waves in the chat for Lunar Beaches Crypto. Good morning to Army Piper. Piper Academy, man. You guys are family. Maybe we come over after and invade you. The otters will invade you after this stream, if I remember. Joseph, good morning. Hi, Alex. That's very loud. I read that loud in my head. Okay, good morning to you. Yes, sir. Let's do it when you can. Absolutely. I'm going to message you on Twitter then. I think you guys got Twitter. Mad love to you guys, man. Scott, good morning. Thanks for dropping by, guys. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Those are the scams that robbed, forgot. Yeah. Okay. What's up, BCB? Alexo is famous in these crypto YouTube streets. No, man. I ain't famous. I just press buy and sell. That's it, man. That's it. I try to do it really well because I like money, okay? I like money. It's not easy, though. It's not easy. I'm hella straight with you guys. You guys know that. Hell, I'm older than you, says John Foster Crypto. Well, I'm 34, man. I mean, I'm not like a spring chicken. I'm just like a chicken, okay? I'm a spring chicken. I don't understand this. No excuses, but you got a great name. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I you guys can hit the like button if you want. We got 209 likes yesterday. I'm happy with that. I'm retiring the like button. Have a break. Have a Friday off, baby. Friday is payday. So let's get into it. We got 2 minutes till the news comes out about PPs. Okay, so we got some PP news coming out. We're gonna absolutely crush it as we always do. We got some key levels. We've gotten a bounce. Let's see if this thing does come in as forecasts, or at least even to last week. Okay, that's going to be the interesting thing. However, we are pushing, baby. We are pushing like Mrs. Otter was about 7 weeks ago. Okay, my wife. We have a newborn son. So as you can see, we are pushing. The interesting thing is that I was talking about this yesterday. I don't know if I mentioned it to this group here, but the bullish thing would be is if we swept the lows and we bounced aggressively out of here. Okay, so what have we done? Let's get rid of all these trends because we don't care really about these trends or these lines or these positions. Okay, so what happened here? Oh, man, this gives us, whenever there's volume to the downside, we talk about this all the time, volume to the downside, it's going to create divergences. Okay, divergences are beautiful. We love divergences. They are lucrative. They make us money, okay? Yes, we have trickled up here without a retracement, but this is a beautiful divergence on a shorter term time frame with a lower low and a higher high. Now, however you want to look at this, okay? You can look at it on different oscillators or whatever. I don't care. It's a divergence in my mind because, look, we swept the lows, okay? We swept. See the volume coming in here? We can turn on volume for you for fun, but you see the volume coming in on this wick. Okay, PPI's out. PPI's out. It's bullish. It's bullish, baby. We pumping. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. It's coming in at 0. PPI is at 0. My God, are they fudging the numbers? They're forecasting 0.1. They got a 0. A 0. This is pretty crazy. This is pretty crazy. We are pumping. We are pumping on the PP data. I mean, I don't know how to say it properly, man. PPI. Okay, we are pumping on this data. This is looking good. Russell's flat. NASDAQ pushing up as well. Okay, let's see if it continues to push. We have our short position ready up top here. Okay, coming up, trying to hit that key level of resistance. Okay, bullish PPI. PPI is coming down. They are landing this plane. I don't know how well, but they're landing it, baby. The Dixie. What is going on with the Dixie as we proceed to give you what you need? Dixie's dumping. We need this thing to die. We need this thing to come down, okay? We'll have to wait and find out. Bitcoin pushing up here. I mean, continuation into this area. I'm looking for a short up here. I'm not going to lie. I'm looking for a short up in this because we're going to get some divergences here. Look at this. Beautiful divergences coming up into this thing here. I don't know. A little bit of patience. I don't know if I'm going to. See, this is why we don't trade news, because right now we got another hour until the market opens, okay? So we're going to get, maybe a push up into this, but I would like to see us come back down to VWAP, okay? That would be ideal. But we'll see. Might fire off a little short here. Just to have some fun. What do you guys think? Are we going to get short on this? Going to get short on this news? I think this is a fake move. Oh, dun, 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 dun. Okay, pushing up. I'm still up here waiting. I'm up here waiting. I'm a little bit higher. I'm not going to take this trade just yet. Just waiting. Let's see. See, money's coming in, but I don't care for it. Really, we're getting bear divs here. Bear divs on the 12. Okay. Bear divs on the 12. This looks like it needs to cool off a little bit. Like at least down to here, or more ideally 60,200 today. A little bit of a push up here. Ooh, Friday pump day, baby. Let's go. Put a 1 in the chat if you want to short this thing. Put a 2 in the chat if you're like, no, don't trade it. 2 in the chat if you're not looking to trade it. What's the news? We got the PPI data coming out. PP data, okay? Producer price index. Inflation. Producer price inflation month over month, okay? Month over month in the United States decreased to 0% in September from 0.2% in August. Producer price inflation average, blah, 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 reaching all-time highs, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what we want to see, in my opinion, is them landing the plane, right? So what is landing the plane? Coming down, coming down. So this is looking good. I mean, it's just another data point that they're probably fudging to make the economy look better. Okay, that's my opinion on all this stuff. But nonetheless, bullish because it's come under expectations, okay? It came in at 0. So we'll see if it continues. Everybody shorting this thing? Shorting? 47. Okay, nobody's shorting. 2's no trade. Luke Zaldaina's smart. Okay, 2's no trade. Don't forget, sometimes I'm not forcing trades, but I'm trading for entertainment value, right? This is never financial advice. I would never want you guys to take these trades blindly, right? I would always want you to make sure you do your own research, take your own trades. This is never ever intended for you guys to copy trade, okay? I don't know why you'd copy trade me. I'm just a broke carpenter at home in his basement, hoping to help people change their lives with pressing buy and sell on a daily basis, okay? That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. Helping people change their lives by pressing buy and sell on a daily basis, okay? That's it. That's it. Okay. Are we going to bounce from here? We hit my key level. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We're going to be dirt cheap on this. We're going to be dirt cheap on this. Like dirt cheap. Being down here. Okay, we'll see how this goes. I think they're going to fake everyone out. I think they're going to fake everyone out. That's just me. That's just me. We short. We short as hell. Like here. Okay? I'll be cheap as hell. Okay? Maybe like 550. I'm cheap. I'm being cheap, man. I'm being cheap. Come on, Bitcoin, die. This news ain't real, Bitcoin. You know it. This news ain't real. We hitting key resistance. We're going to come down here. We're going to come all the way back down to VWAP. Don't be mean to me. This is not financial advice in this kind of situation. You do not want to be trading this, okay? We just here trying to navigate the charts on a daily basis. This is funny, man. Let's go, Bitcoin. Time to die. It's time to die, Bitcoin. We end short. Ooh, I don't normally trade the news. This is exciting. This is exciting. Are we all excited? I think I feel the excitement in the chat. It's Friday, baby. We doing a little bit of degeneracy trading. Okay. Oh man. Yeah. We in. Don't do this. Don't follow me, please. Please do not follow me. You can subscribe to me, but do not follow me. And you do not have to hit the likes today. We had enough likes yesterday. So please don't hit the like. Maybe even hit the dislike. Maybe even there is a dislike button, isn't there? Maybe we'll smash the dislikes today. You guys can smash the dislikes all you want. All you want, okay? I don't mind. It's all free advertisement. Haters gonna hate. People are going to come into the stream and tell me that you're a jalfrazy, a phony, a whatever. And I'll be like, okay, Fugazi, jalfrazy this. Look at the P&L. Okay, so look at this coming down, baby. Rejection. Look at the Dixie. The Dixie's pushing. Come on, Bitcoin. A little bit lower, a little bit slower. Where do we got our 0.5%? Oof, we got to come all the way down to these lows for a TP. Okay. Looking to hit here. First TP. 61, 140. I don't know if we get there, man. I don't know if we get there. 61, 1. We trading too early, man. Maybe this is just a bad idea. What do you guys think? Close the trade. Close the trade 1. Close the trade 1. Please hit the dislike button on your way in. We got over 200 people in here. We in the short. Okay, let's see if it does come down. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here. I appreciate you guys supporting me, helping me support you. We shorted this thing. We shorted it. Oh man, I'm in. Uh-oh. Guys, please do your own research. Never trade blindly like me. I just press the buy button. Are we going to close this? This is I honestly don't if this plays I laugh so hard. This is not something. I mean, obviously, key level of resistance. Okay, I don't have any other confluence besides this resistance. Like, I could fish for confluence. Like, I could pull like a fib extension off the high here, right? You got your 618 here. Look at that. See, fib extension. I'm very aware of how good I am at pulling levels that I can manipulate what I want to see on the charts. Okay, this is one thing you gotta watch out for is your damn self. You gotta watch out for your damn. Yeah, let's go, Bitcoin. Rock their socks, baby. Okay. Let's go, Bitcoin. A little bit more. Push a little bit more. Push a little bit more. Let's just hit the highs. Let's bring this up to the highs here. A little bit more. Come on, Bitcoin. Close it. Take the money. Take the money, please. I gotta be kind today. Okay, first take profit hit, stop loss to entry, free trade. Okay, stop loss to entry, free trade. I ain't messing with this thing. Look at it come down, baby. Look at this thing come down. Stop loss to entry, free trade. GG's to all you people. Oh, look at it dump, baby. Look at it dump. Let's go. Who's counter trading the news? Alex O. Crypto. Alex O. Crypto. Alex O. Crypto. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we took the trade. We could have kept our TP there. We could have. I mean, this is if there's degenerate trading, this was it. This was it. I just broke a lot of rules. I broke the rules for all of you. Okay, I broke the rules for all of you. Put a one in the chat that you're happy that I broke the rules. I ain't being a good example today, am I? Oh, it's Friday though, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We in the money. We're fully out. We're fully out at VWAP. We're fully out at VWAP. I don't expect to get paid this early in the morning. Holy smokes. We're fully out at VWAP. Just so you guys know, okay? I don't expect to get paid this early in the morning. I haven't even worked yet. The Dusty Hunt is here. Too early. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. If you are new here, thank you for being here. Please subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 4,000 subscribers. We hit 3,800 yesterday. I mean, wow. I remember, man. That's some crazy. That's some crazy stuff, man. Sometimes you got to teach people what not to do. This is absolutely facts. Retro Mike Tech. This is not what you do. This is not what you do. Okay. Yes, we had a key level. I mean, look at these support levels. I mean, they do work. It's just like you want more than just a support and resistance line. You probably want like a golden pocket, maybe an order block. Something, an order block, a liquidity zone, those kind of things. Okay? Those kind of things. But, we're in the trade. Let's see if it does continue down. Oh, and we can do top-down analysis now. Risk-free trade, okay? So I'll watch it over here on my other monitor, and then we can go top-down on Bitcoin, baby. Oh, what a stupid little trade. It worked. Sometimes you gotta just, trade the idea. So we got bullish news. We popped up this morning into a key level of resistance. We went short. Okay. We took the short yesterday. We got out too early. Okay. We did not long overnight. Asia pumped it. Okay. Asia pumped pump the bags. Now, the interesting thing is, like I said, the liquidity does reside on this low here. So 60,000 is going to be the low that I'm interested in. So this could work out to come down in here. We could add to this trade, yada, yada, yada. So you can see that basically this area in here, right? So this area in here and this area in here, right? This would be our discount zone. This would be our premium zone of the range, right? So right now we're shorting premium back into the middle of the range, which is right around 60,800. Okay, very, very simple. So if we're oscillating within here, but we've left liquidity on our way up down here, where do you think we're going? Where do you think we're going? Right? Because yes, we have, I mean, I could turn it on for you guys. Order blocks all the way up. Okay? Order blocks all the way up. But look where the liquidity is. It's at the lower of this range. And I swear that 60,000 is so important. For us to reclaim 60,000 is miraculous, okay? I use the word miraculous. Why is that miraculous? Because since sweeping, this is a good sweep. Get out your brooms, my friends. I don't know if I have a broom emoji. Here, I have a banana peel, okay? Since sweeping, woo, 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 woo. I know you guys all think of Mario Kart, okay? Or get your mind out of the gutter. It's Friday, baby. Okay? We're all happy we bounced here. V-shaped recovery out of this area. Now, liquidity does reside below us, so I would expect price to maybe trickle down before continuing out. What just happened? Okay, let me ask you guys, what just happened? If we're here to learn and we're here to examine price action and work together on positioning ourselves, what literally just happened? We just mitigated the high over here. Okay, we literally just mitigated, baby. What does this mean? This is a break of structure to the upside. Okay, so we have broken structure to the upside. Here, let me just make it very clear for you. Okay, very clear. So what does this mean? That we could have put in a low and we could be looking for higher highs and higher lows, right? Make sense? It must make sense to you guys. Okay, it has to make sense to you. So now that we've swept the highs here, we are looking for a possible retracement. So if we go into our 4 hour and just look at this now, we are looking for this, right? Ooh, back down maybe. And then continuation out and onwards, okay? Possible. Okay, this is possible. Very possible. Doesn't mean we're going to get this low, okay? Most likely we don't get this low. Most likely we come maybe 60,800 and then we go. That's my thought. Now, this is the hopium. This is the hopium. Okay, just looking at this right now. If we are going to continue up, October, whatever the hell they want to call it. I'm putting my stop loss into profits now. 61,330. Okay. 330. I don't care if I get stopped out of this. This was a silly trade anyways. This is down into here, 330. I don't really care. But Alex, it's such a good entry. Nah. It was a silly trade. I'd rather just take my money and look for another one. Okay? I'd rather take my money and go for the next one. Okay, so looking at this, we zoom out, right? We have bounce from here. Now, everybody, I see people pulling their fibs from down here. This is not where you pull your fib. Okay? This is not where you pull your fib. I would pull my fib from here. Okay? This is a 786, in my opinion. Okay? 786 of this range. Why am I pulling my fib from here? Well, this is an impulse move. Either we're pulling it from here, this low. We're not pulling it from this low. We're pulling it from this low. It's the impulse move to the start of the uptrend, okay? Impulse move to the start of the uptrend. Now we are in a downtrend, okay? But what did I say yesterday? I said ABC correction possible, okay? So we got ABC 1, 2, 3, right? ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay? So beautiful move up, correction down. Is this our low? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm not I'm not saying the low is in, but this could be it. This could be it. Okay, it is Friday. We are going into the weekend. And what does that mean? Chop sideways, right? Chop sideways. What does that do to price, right? What does that do to price? What it simply does is it puts in more volume support at $60,000, okay? Let's draw a big square of support. If we hold this, my friends, if we hold this, we're bullish, in my opinion, okay? We have just swept, putting in a bullish divergence, in my humble opinion, okay? This wants to do this. Next target, these highs. Okay, if we take these highs here, and we're looking for that big continuation. Big continuation, okay? So interesting enough. Now, we didn't come for the liquidity down below at these lows, which is quite interesting that we left these guys behind. Okay? Not saying we can't come down here. 57.4 is one of my key areas. You see, it's pink. When it's pink, it's serious, okay? It's very serious. I'm in a great mood today. We got 215 people in here and only 82 dislikes. I asked you to hit the dislike button, please, today. And thank you for being here. If you are new here, subscribe. We're on our way to 4,000 people. We would love to have you. And if you do want more out of me, we have an amazing Discord full of like-minded people. But just say hi. I would love to say hi to you. Good morning. This is, we're built on kindness. We love having a good time. We love making money, and hopefully you do too, and you can come and hang out with us. 3, take along now. Oh, man. So, mad love to every single one of you guys for being here. Thank you for supporting this. So, could this be, I want to give you guys some hope, because really right now, let's check in our Discord. Let's check it out now. Funk Soul Brother, right about now. Right? Now, this is the place to be. Is the Discord. This is where you get the trade setups, you get the ideas, you get 32 guys. Everybody's puckered, man. I need to give you guys some hopium on the Friday, okay? I'm gonna give you the hopium, okay? Everybody's puckered. They're all scared. We're all going to zero, okay? If you do want to join our Discord, the free section is amazing. The paid section is cheap. It's $20 a month. And you do get all the good old TAs, right? You get all the good old TAs with the trade setups, the ideas, and all the attention you deserve, okay? All of the attention you deserve. What is Brewberry looking at this morning? Oh, look at this. The big supply zone. Let's go, Brew. He's looking for a retrace back down in here. Shorts, please. Yeah, okay. I see you, bro. I see you. 4 hours strong high. Yep, okay. Probably coming up to mitigate that. That's 61.3. Okay, 61.3. Let's go and mark that out. You got to always trust your friends. Always trust your friends, because they want the best for you. Okay? They want the best for you. This is probably going to stop me out. I haven't been stopped out yet, but looking for us to come back down to VWAP. If not, we'll see. Okay, so PPI bullish. Okay, not coming down to this area here. Now, what do we have on our higher term time frames? Let's take a look. So, October. Not so October so far, right? Not so October so far. So, looking at this, let's get rid of our break of structure. We know that's happened. I'm about to get stopped out of my short from this morning. That's okay. Looking at our weekly, okay? 3 white soldiers on the way up. 2 down with nice tails, okay? Nice, beautiful wicks to the downside. Crossing over the 0 line, VWAP resetting. Potential push here, baby. Right? Look at this one here. When we got the push here, which is almost identical. So this one's almost identical. When we got the push here, we retested. We retested before we took off. Okay? That's right here. Whoop, whoop, boom. Okay? Whoop, 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 boom. Okay? We retested on VWAP before we took off with trigger wave coming in. Okay? Let's look at here. And the same pattern. Look, it's just bigger. It's just bigger, which means bigger move, right? Same pattern. Same pattern. Okay? Triple bottom here. We love triples. We love triples, okay? Retest. So the retest is here. So what? What was that after? What's that after? Let's measure. 1, 2. So it says big pump coming. And look at this move too. This no 33%. Where's 33% get us? Oh, it can happen that fast, my friends. It can happen that fast. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it can happen that fast. I'm not one of these hopium YouTubers with their open mouth thumbnails and saying, "Hey man, we're going to 150,000." I think we'll get to at least 120, but on not our time, on Larry Fink's time, okay? Okay? We'll see if we get there, but there's some hopium here, so can we pop off the zero line here? Can we push back up on this long-term time frame? We'll have to wait and find out. So for today, what are we looking for? Pushing up to the zero line. Nice curvature. Push back here on Bitcoin, okay? Curving on the momentum wave. Can we push up to the zero line? Holding the 50, okay? Holding the zero line up here. If this is our middle line, this is holding the 50, okay? So we're looking for this to push up. Very, very bullish, in my opinion. If we can hold above here, we're oscillating above in an uptrend. This is uptrend zone, okay? So we're looking for that. Looking good. Pushing up to up here. About to get stopped out. It doesn't want to stop me out. Come on, hit me. Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. Okay, 12 hour. Look at this 12 hour, baby. Hammer time. Hammer time, okay? Big, huge wick down. Bullish, almost bullish engulfing. And then hammer time. Look at this hammer time, baby. Oof. That's sexy. That's sexy. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Whether you want to call it a bullish divergence, a double bottom, okay, it's close on all fronts. Okay, if we go to the 8 hour, it's pretty clear on the 8 hour that this is coming up. Okay, you go on the 6 hour, whatever hairs you want to split to make yourself convinced that this is a bottoming pattern. Okay, this is a lower low. This is double bottom momentum waves, juicy to the upside. Okay, doesn't mean we don't go like this and bounce. Okay. But this looks good. Okay, this looks good. And what do we got? We got liquidity up here. We got liquidity up here. And then we got big liquidity up here. Okay? So there's places to go here. If we take this high here, we really want to see. Okay, so if this thing pops up here, takes that high there, we really want to try and get long here on this retest, wherever it comes into. This is nice, though. This is nice. So for today, what can we look for? It's Friday, baby. Oh, I'm getting a little croaky. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Stop. Hammer time. Some divs were sketch. Yeah, they are sketchy. Just like trading on a Friday on PP Nose. Last chance to buy, says Massey. I wanted to give you guys some hope, man. J Violet's waiting for, yeah, see, like, I don't want to say it's going to zero. It really doesn't matter as a trader to me which way we go. We're as traders, we got to separate ourselves from our hodl bags. Okay, that is so important. Like, we want our hodl bags to go to the moon. Of course. But here and now, we are going to do ourselves a disservice to having any sort of bias against trend. Okay? Against trend. We are in a downtrend. Okay? We are in a downtrend. This would be our uptrend. This is our top. We are in a downtrend. So we should be looking for shorts. We should have been looking for shorts yesterday. We should have been looking for shorts all this week. Okay? Favoring, at least. Favoring. Flavor, savor, favoring, okay? Yes, there's corrections within a downtrend. Okay, so you can catch some nice longs. But overall, it's down, right? So this looks nice bottoming. So for today, let's see what we got. So we got PPI coming in bullish. We do have momentum to the upside, lots of room to grow. We do see a little bit of an uptrend here on our 4-hour money flow. VWAP is a little bit overextended, in my opinion. This can cool off, okay? Very easily cool off. before we head down. That would give us a nice, double bottom with a trigger wave. Okay, so that would cool off here, and then we'd pop off the zero line, and we'd have that continuation here. That would be nice. Okay, that would be nice. Doesn't mean we get it. I'm about to get stopped out in profits. Take it. Okay, yeah, stopped out. This trade is invalidated. We made some money on it. Who cares? Okay, who cares? That was a fun little short in the morning. Thank you, everybody, for taking the short and not getting wrecked. Please don't get wrecked. Please do your own due diligence. And thank you, everybody, for being here and smashing that dislike button. Okay. Going into this, downtrend, reversal, break of structure to the upside. This is what we like, okay? We do have a low to mitigate down here. We have taken out the high here. Higher high. Okay, we have made a higher high. So we are looking for a retrace and continuation out. So we can be looking for a long lower. Lower. Okay, very lower. I would say like at least 60,800 before heading up. Okay, but nice to see we have taken this high here. Okay. Going into our 3, we got pumpage, double bottoming. Okay, double bottoming. Weird bull div here as well, right? So it's not this bull div across, it's this bull div below. Okay. Very sharp, but yet a bull div. Okay. Pushing up, coming to the zero line. Same with this, crossing the zero line. So we got the lower low, higher high, bull div pushing in. Higher low, pushing in. Okay, looking for this. 1 hour. Overextended. View up coming down, money crossing up. This is indecision, right? Indecision meaning we got money coming in, which is always going to trump VWAP, always. Okay, so money coming in is always stronger. Strength is always 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1 being the money flow, 2 being momentum, and 3 being VWAP. Okay, and stochastics is used as a guide, in my opinion. Right? Stochastics is just there to say, hey, we're oscillating above the zero line. We are oscillating below the zero line. We are posturing down. We are posturing up. And that will give us an added confluence to direction. Okay. But this trumps this every time. Okay. So bounce off the zero line continuation, right? Momentum is getting a little bit overextended, but it's not up here, right? It's not a big anchor wave. It's oscillating above. Changing trend. That's what this is telling me. Okay, so can this continue upwards? Possibly. It's a bit overextended. Okay, so we'll see if we can trade this today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You know where I'm at. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. We just made a quick little trade, made some money for today, and we'll see if we can continue on this happy-go-lucky uptrend here. Bitcoin pushing back, okay? Bitcoin pushing back. We look across our markets. We can see the S&P has curled back up, okay? The S&P continues to rip, man. This is a problem, right? We can't be bearish if the S&P continues to make all-time highs, okay? It's like, why would you be bearish on this thing when the all-time high was 2 days ago, right? Like, you can't. This is an aggressive uptrend, okay? This thing, I think, is coming to 6,000 very easily. Very easily. The NASDAQ, okay, fluttering around, not looking too strong. But nonetheless, like the NASDAQ's still up in this area as well. Okay? It's still up in this area as well. So, like, we don't want to fight that either. Okay? A little retest back down to highs and continuation, right? Look at this overextension. So, we wait. The Russell is the scary one, okay? The Russell is what we need to see expand, and we don't see any expansion. We had the beautiful W bottom, W, and then we have this flag, okay? We have an alarm set on this trend line. We want to see the breakout and continuation up to 2,300 on the Russell. Okay, so we're watching. There's the hair. Look at the hair this morning. I should have worn a hat. It's like one of those pom-poms on the top of girls' hats they always wear now. They got those pretty pom-poms. I got one too. All right. I got one too. I couldn't get it down no matter how much water, and I wasn't going to gel my hair this morning, okay? I'm not gelling my hair on a Friday. It's just down Fridays, okay? It's just down Fridays. I should just shave it like Piper. Okay, now Tesla. Tesla had a beautiful event yesterday saying they're going to put a robot in everybody's house. They got a robo taxi. They got a big ass van. They got a whole bunch of shit. Go and check it out. Pretty cool. Okay, I want an optimist to just make my food, okay? So Tesla looks like it's going to open down low. Not too good for Elon. Maybe he's just too busy making America great again. Okay, so interesting. I was looking at that. I sold a bunch of my Tesla stock right here at 255 because Nancy Pelosi sold up here and I was jealous. So I waited for it to return and then I sold. I de-risked. Okay, I sold as well in profits. Okay, been riding the Tesla for a bit. I sold about $14,000 worth of Tesla stock. So, I mean, we always got to de-risk sometimes, right? I think that's always important. De-risk. Dixie. The dollar is the interesting one right now. On news like this, after the jobs report, it absolutely tore up the streets, right? Now, we are looking for this thing to die, which, I mean, clearly there's lots of areas for this thing to come back down to, but my God, what a ripper to the upside. This is concerning, okay? Just like the yields right now. So today, can we get a rejection from here? Overextended on this move up, in my opinion. So possibly looking for shorts. Let's pull some fibs. Let's get some key areas and try to find some confluence within this beautiful price action today, okay? So just taking a look through here. Let's pull up our Dynamics Pro. I see liquidity up in here. Yeah, order block. Okay, so let's mark out our order block within this area here. So we can be looking in this area for a general rejection. We look at all the stall out here, right? It's just whenever you're looking at order block, you really want to see where institutional money is playing games, right? And that's clearly in this area, right? Look at this. This has just been sticky, 62,000. Okay, so that's going to act as a key level of resistance coming into it, okay? Doesn't mean it's going to be going to stop us. It's just going to probably stall out if it does get up in there. So if we push up, then we can expect that at least going into that area. Now, I would like to see this come back down for this order block down below us here. Like we said this morning, that is a very interesting area. And then obviously we have liquidity down below here, which I will mark out just to kind of keep us all organized. Not too concerned about the order block, more concerned about the liquidity. Now, I would like to see a high come in. So if we get a high put in here and a reversal, okay, so I need to see a lower high and a lower low come in. Then I'm going to pull a fib from swing low to swing high and get my key area. Okay, that's when I'm going to be looking for that 382 bounce or that fib bounce. Okay, that's if we get this high. Okay, we're waiting for the high to come in before we pull that fib. Okay, now if we're going from impulse move down, we're going to pull from, I would go from here down. Okay, this is getting a little bit crowded here. Let's put these rectangles away, put it in our areas, right? We got to stay organized as we continue here. Did we come to this low? Always use your magnet tool. Why is this one? Yeah, areas, hide. Okay. 786. Now, let's go up. Let's go up a bit. Go up to the top of this move here. 382. No. Golden pocket. That's matching up with our key area we just put in here. Okay. We got a sell wall here. Let's put that sell wall up in here because that would be liquidity. That's better in my opinion. Okay. Just going through, marking out our chart, golden pocket invalidated. Watch me cook, baby. Let's cook together. Let's cook together. How we all doing? Yeah, we got a point of control up in that ish as well. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make this one red. Just because of this, I will swap this one out to white. That's going to be more important to me right now. Big old red line here at 60,800 makes sense, right? You can see the two volume nodes spikes here. There's another one up top here, but that's not really concerning for me. Look at these two beautiful, beautiful, lovely lady lumps, okay? This is like some lovely lady lumps, as we can see. Okay, I'll stop drawing. Don't be rude. And we'll look for the return to innocence. Okay, so we've mapped it out. We know where support is. We know where resistance is. We know where we're looking for shorts. We know where we don't want to be trading in the hot dog zone. Okay, we don't want to be trading in here. We want to trade the buns. However, we're going to isolate price now into the shorter term time frames. Okay, let's get rid of our fixed range. Let's take a look within here. Let's go locally. Let's go back to maybe start of the week. Let's go back to Monday. So sometimes when I pull a fixed range volume profile, we'll go back to Monday where Monday started. So Monday's right here. Go back to Monday, and that will be the weekly volume profile, right? Naked point of control up top here. Weekly naked point of control is the target for this move, 62,400. Okay, now we got a value area low coming in here, so that's an interesting area as well at 60,900. We do have support there, so we could be looking for a potential buy zone within here. Okay. And then we're looking for a rejection zone, obviously above us here. If we do break through here, we're easily going to 61,800. Very easily, we're coming up here into this order block down below here. So that's very easy. So now we know really where we're at, right? Now we just try to take advantage of entries, right? Of entries, what we're looking for, how we're getting into it, all that good stuff. We got 20 minutes till market opens. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this, watching me try to navigate these charts. Mad love to every single one of you. My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. Check it out. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Say hello in the chat. Would love to say good morning to you. Good morning, Jeanette. How's it going? I use ChatGPT for everything. Good morning, L. Jones. V Monitor, what's going on? Good morning to you. Hodl Crypto. Curtis Neal in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Hope you're doing well. Mad love to every single one of you guys in the chat. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's see some otters in the chat for the gang. We got otters in the chat. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Look, I'm Alex O Crypto family. Uh-oh, who's that guy? Who's that guy? That's a secret you'll never know. Okay, what's going on? Everybody in here. Arpad, good morning. Joe, Cam, what's going on? Martina, Guile, good to see you. Dean, what's going on? Brownie, Zena. Okay, let's go. Buck, what's going on? Good morning to you, Buck. Al Jr., how's it going? Jeffrey as well. Bina, good morning. Good morning to you. Hope you're all doing well. Lunar Beach is in here. Darren does things. Amazing, amazing people in here. Rohit, good morning to you. What's going on? John, what's going on? John Worm, mad love to you. Fast cars sexy. Yeah, we got to. I agree. Fast cars are sexy. Jim, good morning to you. Good morning to you. UY, long BTC question mark? No, we don't want to long the highs. We don't want to long the highs. Chris Klein, good morning. Good morning. Can you talk about your withdrawal strategy? Often percentage. Yeah, so with an exchange, I started trading on FTX, okay? And that's why we use 40x, 50x leverage, because we don't like keeping a lot of money on exchanges, so it allows me to use, obviously, less money, more leverage, right? So withdrawal strategy is that you, in my opinion, if you with the $10,000 account, right? If you take a couple of losses, you want to top up that $10,000 account. So you have to have like a reserve, and then you have to have the money that you constantly trade with, right? Trading 1 to 4% of your account per trade, right? So you're risking 300 to make 900. That's kind of how we do it. But when withdrawing, right, you need to have a piggy bank. CryptoFace talks about it all the time, is you always be withdrawing money and paying yourself. And I think that's the key, is that you give yourself a set amount that you're trading an account with, and if you want to compound your account, that's different. But if you've gotten to a point where you're comfortable and you know that going from a $10,000 account to a $50,000 account is a little bit uncomfortable mindset wise, money on the charts, seeing drawdowns of excess amount of money, right? Then I always suggest you get to a fixed amount that you're comfortable with. You're risking 300 to make 900 or 100 to make 300, whatever your risk to reward ratio is. And then you want to be withdrawing from that. And then also having a reserve. So let's say it's a $10,000 account. You want to make sure that you have like $2,000 so that if you take maybe 3 losses in a row, you can top up, that 150, 150, 150, so $450. You can top that up to bring yourself back to a level playing field. And that's typically what I do. So maybe that helps you with withdrawal, but always be paying yourself, but always be protecting yourself as well, right? And the key is making sure that you're using good risk management. You can't manage an account if your variables are all over the place, right? So if I'm risking 150 here, but then I'm risking 400 here, and then I'm like you gotta have your lunch money. I talk about having your lunch money as in like I'm risking $100 to make $300. $100 is in stone. This is in stone. Okay, this is variable depending on the price action, depending on the setup, but this is got to be set in stone. Okay, you got to have longevity in the game, and that's gonna help you have longevity. Is having this defined. Okay, and having this defined will determine your leverage, right? Because your leverage will change if you're in a swing trade. I'm telling you, if you need a little bit more wiggle room on your stop loss, you better be lowering your leverage, right? For me, I'm cheap. I'm cheap as can be, okay? I don't need to always do 300. I would prefer to do 50 or 100 or 150. I don't need this one. I have that available to me, the 300, right? The 300 is available to me, but I'd prefer to go 150. I'd prefer to go 100, okay, if I can. Because I know where my invalidation point is, right? You need to know that if price goes here, like today, if price goes above here, like I took the short this morning, right? I'm wrong. My idea for this trade is wrong. Zero. Niente. Finito. Okay? Therefore, you get stopped out here, and that's okay. Idea wrong. Idea wrong. Readjust. Reassess. Take a look at it. What was I doing? Trading news. Bad idea. Okay, we know what we did wrong. On to the next one. Short-term memory, baby. But always be reflecting and always be adding to that playbook, to that idea. Why did we go here? Why did we take that short, right? Bearish divergence, overextension, up at a key level of resistance. Okay, but then you're trading the news, Alex. Don't be trading the news. Okay? It's Friday, though. We had some fun. Risking it all for the chat. Hopefully that clears that up for you guys, okay? But you always want to go to school with your lunch money. Sometimes the bully corners you and you try to fight back, but he has friends, okay? And you lose. No beef patty, no Subway, whatever you have for lunch. I don't know. I need to go and cut this with some scissors, okay? Wayne is here. Wayne, did you get a sandwich? Did your wife make you a sandwich this morning? Okay. We're supposed to be having fun. Yes, Curtis. Yes, Curtis. Fun is where it's at. Even in Canada, we have fun. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? This is Chop City. So we got 13 minutes till market opens. Okay, we got some bullish PPI data. They're gonna sweep people. People are longing the top right now. Okay, we are not longing this. We are not longing this. We are looking for shorts at this area. Okay, we are looking for shorts down here. VWAPs down here. Yeah, trying to come down here. Overextended here. Standard deviations. I would expect trickling back down to 60,800. Retesting these highs into our buy zone. Now, why do I have zones, right? So if price comes in here, doesn't mean I'm just pressing buy. It means I want to see maybe a sweep, a bullish divergence. I want to see maybe a liquidity grab, bounce, and continuation. I want to see reversal signs here, right? Right? If we're coming down here, I want to see, beautiful bull div here, right? I'm looking for things like this. Look at this. Coming down, baby. Look at this. Wrecking everybody along in the top. Are we going to break structure here? So we're looking for this low to be taken out. If this low gets taken out, we look for the short right here. Okay? We're looking for it. Protect above these highs, taking it down to here. Okay? Break that structure, right? We want to see this is still an uptrend. We can very, very easily see that uptrend here. This is ugly. Why is this so ugly? Okay? If we break the low here, then we're looking for a short. Okay? If this, then that, right? If this, then that. If this, then that. Always try to think if this, then that, right? If we look at here, right? Bottoming structure. So if this was like, if we identified this low, right? This low is key area, right? Okay, we made a higher high or a higher low right in here. Whoop, let's pull it down. But we made a lower low on price action down here. Lower low, but a higher low than there with bullish divergence. This is a long trade right there, right? Beautiful long trade. Look at this. Sweep of the low, bounce continuation, getting above key level of resistance, right? Pushing and continuing upwards, okay? So it claimed the support line. You can see here, bullish divergence. You get long, it pushes up, it claims the support line, and then it continues. Very easy trade for a nice gain. That was last night at 4 in the morning, okay? But look at that. You get your 1% out of the day, right? That's what we're looking for. Just trying to take out those breadcrumbs, those little pieces that the market maker gives us, you know, that we can identify as opportunities that we can look to take advantage of, okay? That's it. That's all we do. I don't need to hit home runs all the time. Singles and doubles, baby. Singles and doubles. Take our money and run. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. We're at 3,800 subscribers. Trying to get to 4,000. 4,000 would be really cool. 5,000, we're going to have to do a giveaway. Probably give away some market cipher or something like that. Something crazy. You got to go wild, buck wild. So we're on, let's just say we're on our way to 5,000 subscribers. We're at 3,800. And would love to have you guys come and hang out with the gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you for being here. FDY, good morning. Good morning, bro. FDY, part of Piper Academy, also has his own channel. Go and check him out. Friend of the channel. Keeping it real, man. Like you just spit facts. You keep it real. Mad love to you, FDY. Thank you for being here. I heard there was a bully in here trying to take Alex's lunch money. Dave's got my back. God bless you, Dave Digital, man. Dave in the chat. Dave in the chat. I'm crushing it, man. How you doing, Dave? You having a good Friday, baby? You're killing it, bro. You're killing it. Billy Goat Tails, man. Pumping the iron. I'm so proud of you, man. You're an inspiration to everybody, man. I love you, Dave. Hope you're doing well, bro. Hope you're doing well. Let's go. 5,000. Yeah, that would be pretty sweet. That'd be pretty sweet. Mad love, FT. Mad love to everybody in here. We ready. We ready. Is Bitcoin gonna, you know, we got 170 people in here. Is Bitcoin gonna give us the opportunity we deserve? Or is it gonna just hold out on us? We already took a short trade this morning. We already scalped this little dip down here. Little take profit. We'll see if we get any more. Okay. We'll see if we get any more. Born Bitcoin. We got 8 minutes. Dave, I brought my lunch today. No, Mrs. Otter made me more coffee. Look at this. What a sweetheart. She even put it in a thermos so it stayed hot. Look at that. This is why a wife is the most important thing in the world, man. I tell you, having a good wife, raising your child, taking care of your baby boy while you yell at people on a camera. Okay? It's so important. Family is everything. And if you don't have a family, join the Otter family. Ooh, I'm always afraid of pouring. You made me a big ass cup. Yep, that's good. She's an absolute legend. She's a legend, man. Shout out to Mrs. Otter. Shout out to Mrs. Otter. You guys all got to meet Oswald today. Did you guys enjoy meeting Oswald? It's our money tree. We should do like Arnold Commando streams. Bitcoin getting a little push here. Failure to make a lower low, okay? Failure to make a lower low. Pushing up here, coming back up into resistance. We got a wick up here. We got the Stegosaurus pattern down here on Market Cipher, as we can see. Okay, we got either it's pig nipples or the Stegosaurus. So you get the Stegosaurus up here. Then you get a head. This is the one where you're looking for the bear divs, okay? When you get the lower low. This is the bear divs we're looking for. Are we going to go again? Do they want to test our might? We're coming down to VWAP this time. Everybody bullish right now. Everybody's seen the pump, okay? Remember, everybody's seen the pump. They all want to go long here. They all want to go long here. 61.5? Let's say 61. Somewhere up in this. Let's take a look. Let's pull extension level, swing low to swing high. 618. It's right here. 587. 587. Back down to this area in here. That's what we're looking for. Come on, Bitcoin, push it into our place here. We don't. That's still, yeah, that's okay. We'll see. Market open soon. Feel like I'm too big in the screen here. There we go. Nice push up, another higher high. Okay. Let's see how this S&P opens up today. The Nasdaqian. Pretty flat. Pretty flat, indecision. Had the pump and dump, okay? The pump and dump. Russell. The pump and dump as well. Look at this. Oof. So the question was, is the bottom in? Yes, no? Yes. Everybody's saying yes and no. 36 and 37%. Guys, indecision. If you are new here, come over and hang out in the Discord. People asking me questions. I think it would be nice to have thumbnail in the stream. Push the like, baby. Big one, so no one sees what you're showing. Funny way, of course. Okay, Sunrise. We'll just have to tell everybody to smash that like button. I mean, I'm a pusher of thumbs. What was the joke as a kid? They used to go, as a kid, this is how bad 90s kids were. We used to go, thumbs up for war amps. Isn't that horrible? That was 90 kids humor. Thumbs up for war amps. So bad. So bad. If you're a 90s kid, you know. Come over and hang out in the Discord, though. We would love to have you. Fear and Greed 32. Everybody's puckered. Have a happy Friday. Look at this. Such good people here. Such good people here. And we have primo setups. Okay, beautiful setups from Brewberry, myself, and Kyle. Okay, traders helping traders. Everybody didn't think that joke was funny, right? Ozzy is better. Does Oswald have a nickname? Ozzy? Okay. Well, its name is Oswald because of my son's name. My son's name starts with an O. I'm not going to tell you my son's name, but it starts with an O. And my family kept guessing what its name was when we didn't tell him. We didn't tell anybody what his name was until he was born. So my son's name starts with an O. And it came down to like Oliver, Oswald, Origami. It was getting ridiculous. So everybody just decided to call it Oswald. Oswald. It has a name now. And instead of naming him Oswald, I named my plant Oswald. Okay? So I got a money tree like 3 months ago, and I named it Oswald. Okay? Now, if you guys want to guess what my son's name, you can go ahead. What do you guys think my son's name is? It starts with an O, and I'm not going to tell you. Orville Redenbacher. Oreo. Orion, Oliver, Oscar, Otello, Osiris, Olaf. I love it. It's maybe it's market open. Otter. It's Otter. It's just Otter. His name is Otter. Just like his father. I am his father. Omega. Opaque. Oedipus. Owen. Odin. Owen. Oedipus. Son of Alex. Oratha. Ola. imagine Ola. I would have to get a job at Sin City Crypto. Autobot. You guys are great. Osam's. Okay. Osama been living. Alex O backwards. I like that. Oh no. Look at this push, baby. Push it, Bitcoin. Look at this push. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Market's open, baby. Hit it. We gonna go short here? No. Too much momentum. Too much momentum. Up into the order block. Up into the order block. Nice push from Bitcoin. Might take a stab here. Might take a stab. Dixie's flat. Bitcoin continues to push. Bitcoin continues to push here. Looking to go short. Okay. Looking to go short still. Big push up, getting everybody bullish now. Trapping longs. Trapping longs. Can it get rejected from here? Not in yet. Not in yet. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Still waiting here to get short. This is strong. Okay. That's a nice bull div here on the 1 minute. Oh, look at this thing. It's pushing, baby. It's coming for a lot of liquidity up above us here. Showing some strength. Bitcoin this morning. Showing some strength, okay? This is pretty wild. I'm still looking to potentially get short. Give me a reason to short the Bitcoin. Tell me why. Okay, push in here. This is looking juicy. This is looking juicy, Lucy. Nothing yet, man. Nothing yet. So nice push up here. S&P is ripping. NASDAQ still flat. Okay, Russell, flat. Let's see the stock market. It's pretty green. Pretty green. We'll see. Okay, S&P's ripping, though. That's a good sign here for the market. I mean, the S&P don't care. It's about to make all-time highs again. Again. Okay, Bitcoin getting a nice push up right now. I'm still looking to short this thing. Coming up into our order block above us here. We'll see how that works out. Looking at our 24-minute. Zoom out a little bit here. We would still like to see it come down to 60,800. This is strong for Bitcoin. Okay, nice push up here. Coming into this order block above us here. Overextended in my opinion. Overextended. Looking to get short back down into this area. This is just going to make the short even juicier. Coming back down to 6,800. Okay. Pushing up here. Give me something, Bitcoin. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. Big rejection. Give me a reason to short you. Give me one reason to short you. And I'll turn right back around. Come on. Give me a reason. Toppy coming back. Looking to retrace back into here. Ooh-wee. I might take a little stab here. Take a little stab. This was strong, though. This is strong. I can be cheap above this high here. Doesn't want to come up here, though. Considering a short. Considering a short. We'll see if we get there. Big push up on the S&P. A little bit of a rejection here. Hitting some resistance, as we can see. Very clearly. Okay. Dixie's still pretty flat. Pretty flat on the Dixie here. Let's go back into our shorter term time frames here. We want to see the Dixie rolling over for it to go up. This looks toppy to me. This looks toppy to me. This guy's even on the 30-second time frame here, mate. What the hell? Bloody hell. Might take a stab here. Might take a stab. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Take a stab here. I just see us coming lower. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. It's a nice wick to the upside here. Hit this little order block in here. It's so overextended, though. Look how overextended we are. Bitcoin doesn't give a shit, though. Bitcoin is very... Yeah. This got to come down, man. It doesn't got to do anything, really. But it looks toppy to me. Look at this overextension here on our 24 or 1 hour. Very overextended as well. Okay. If it'll load. If we punch through this support level here, we're coming down hard. Sheesh, everybody getting too bullish. I feel like people are going to get wrecked, right? We're creating liquidity coming up here. This is not a place where we want to buy the top, right? We do not want to buy the top. We want to sell this down. At least coming back into this little choppy zone in here. At least. At least. Just closed half of my long. Awesome. Good work. I'm short. Could be a mistake. Ola is short version of Alexandra in my country. Money flow has got me hesitant. Don't want to fight the money. Follow the money. Don't, he says. 12-hour bull div. Yeah. That's the one we were calling last night. Orange, Orlando, Obama, order block. Named him order block. My son's name is order block. Big pimpin'. Yeah. We're big pimpin'. Big pimpin' in this short, baby. Let's go. Come down. 6. First take profit's going to be in here. This low here. This little mini here. 61,400. Take off half. We'll take off half at 61,400. Come on, baby. Hit it. 400 is up here. Of course, it's teasing me. You coming down, baby. Keep coming down, baby. Come on. Wreck all these bulls in here. All these bulls here. Everybody long in the top. All these guys in here. Come on. Forget about these guys. Asia's done. We're back to New York. Come on. Come and eat these guys' lunch food. Lunch money, lunch food. I don't know what I'm talking shit now. Oh, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Dump on these guys' heads. Teach them all a lesson. Liquidity matters. Liquidity lives matter. $440. Come on, a little bit more. $440, $437, $433. We're going to be a dick for a tick, or are we going to take it off? Oh, come on. Come on lower. Bitcoin. Did I convince you all that we're going to dump yet? Or what? How's my persuasion? We could be pumping here. Woo-wee. Pushing back. Don't get too scared. It's only money. Dump it, Bitcoin. Sheesh. That's a nice sweep of the lows. That was a possible long entry, if anything. We're pushing back now. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Retest back in. This is just another higher low. Now we got momentum to track, my friends. You want to see this momentum break now? We want to see a break. Can't believe we didn't come to 400. Okay. We wait. How's the S&P doing? Is it still ripping? Okay, it's trying to push back. Okay, nice. NASDAQ is dying. Bouncing off the low here, sweeping the lows yet again. NASDAQ's rolling over quite aggressively. Interesting. Dixie's flat. This looks very toppy to me. Five-minute Stegosaurus. Money's coming in though. Luke has a good point about money. Money's coming in here. Look at the momentum though. The momentum's topping out. Momentum's topping out here. 15 green dot. Bullshit. All bullshit. All bullshit. This is bear divs across the world here. Around the world, around the world. Okay. Come on down, Bitcoin. 24 is curving up though on VWAP. That's nice. That's a nice curvature here. Money coming in. This still has a bit of room. You've taken the high here. You're looking for the retrace back in here. This is kill zone for a long in here. Really though, I would like to see the long in here. That would be the best. 60,200. That would be the best area for a long. Okay. That'd be the best area for a long. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. We'd be shorting the top. We'd be shorting the top. Come on. Come on down. 400. Hit 400. You cheeky bastard. Oh, man. Again, it's teasing us. It's teasing us again today. It's flagging out. It's flagging out. It doesn't want to lose momentum to the upside. It's fighting. It's fighting. Bitcoin's fighting. It's like, this is like a wild fishing game. Can it roll over here? 61,500. It's got to come lower. Come lower. Pay the piper. Pay the piper. Come on. It's 9:45. You want to give the Otter Gang some money this morning. We've already taken you for once. Can't we take you for another? That is the question. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing that like button. Subscribe if you are new. Come over and hang out in our Discord. Otters having a happy Friday. You guys are my Otter family. Mad love to you. And if you do want to join the membership where you get trade signals, you get live streams. We're doing a live stream today at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. You get to talk with me. I get to help you as much as I possibly can. You get all the goods here. Would love to have you come over and hang out with us. Even in the free section, we would love to have you too. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here, smashing those dislike buttons this morning. I appreciate the dislike smashing. It's so good. It's so good. Okay. I keep getting these warning signs that my stream bitrate is lower than the bitrate recommended. We recommend you use the stream bitrate of 6,800 kbps. 6,800? Okay. We'll jump to 6,800 just for you. We just had a whole bunch of people leave. That's okay. That's okay. 150 people in here, 125 likes. We had 209 likes yesterday. 209 likes. Incredible. Incredible. I'm happy with like 4 likes, but you guys are amazing. We are in the short. Will it come down? I think so. I think so. First take profit is 409, 61,409. Come on, Bitcoin. I might just take some off right now. I think we're coming down, though. Take some off now. We'll take some off now. Why not? Why not? Gotta pay yourselves in this environment. Environment. That's how it is spelt, isn't it? It doesn't want to take it, my friends. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it down. Dump it down. There we go. It took it. Okay. Stop loss to entry, baby. Stop loss to entry, risk-free trade. We'll see if it does come down. I think it's coming down, baby. Let's go. We're making money. This is it. We gotta protect our live stream friends here. We are in the short. We are in it to win it. Can it continue down? We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good times, man. Good times in the morning. We having too much fun, man. We're having too much fun. You guys are having too much fun. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. A couple of breadcrumbs today keeps the doctor away. That's okay. Okay. We need to come down here into VWAP. That's my idea. That's my idea. It's fighting, though. It's fighting to push. Yep. It's fighting. That was close. That was close. It's probably going to take it. Yep, it's taking it. That's enough out of me today anyways. It is Friday. This thing looks like it hasn't made up his mind yet. Still looking for that dump. I'd say the dump's most likely going to come in here. This is looking to hold right now, so we'll see how that goes. It's been a fun one today. That's all I got to say. That's enough out of me. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We got some PPI data, which is looking bullish, So we'll see if we do get that dump eventually. Right now, very indecisive. No real decisive movement except for up and to the right. We're looking for that retrace. We'll see if we can get it. Maybe we'll find it today in the live stream in the Discord at 12:15. So those who are part of the Otter family, we would love to see you there. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. It's been a great stream. I'll be working on getting that VWAP video ready for you Sunday, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. Okay, God bless you guys. Mad love, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo.